Hi, I'm Maureen Calamia, author of Creating Luminous Spaces, and I just wanted to share a minute with you. I truly believe that a lot of the stress and suffering in our lives has to do with the disconnection from source, and that is the natural world. But of course, we know we aren't. We know that we're part of nature, yet we don't live our day-to-day lives with that belief. We feel separated and live our lives mostly from a distorted perception of reality. And I know one way, one path to help bridge that gap is the path of the five elements of wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. And in my workshop on May 5th, Creating Luminous Spaces, I'll share this path with you. It's simple, yet an elegant journey to follow. You'll identify your own true nature element with fun and insightful exercises, and you'll leave with a plan to continue to deepen your connection to nature, and in the process, becoming more authentically who you are. Now, I know that sounds really deep, and it is. I know it seems really important, and I truly believe it is. But most of all, it will be a lot of fun. So I really look forward to meeting you and sharing this with you. I'll see you soon.